one team stays inside the playing area and the other team stays outside. The team outside has the ball. Their goal is to hit the player inside by throwing the ball. Player inside should avoid the ball by running, jumping, or dodging. They must not get hit. If the player inside gets hit by the ball, they are out of the game.
I got this!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh my God! What is that?
Banana si Karen! Ha?
Hot dog!
Aris! Wait lang po ha.
Game! Dito! 1, 2, 3, game!
I believe I can fly.
Three, go, Agis! Oy, kalayo!
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Oh, tanggal! Pico with a twist mechanics. First, each player will choose a number from 1 to 50. After choosing a number, the player will prepare the pato or marker. The player will throw the pato to the box with their chosen number. Then, the player will start playing Pico. They will hop on one foot and follow the correct path of the boxes. The player must keep the box where the pato is placed and continue until the end. After reaching the end, the player will go back and pick up the pato and finish the round without losing balance. Once the player finishes, the twist begins. Once the player finishes, the twist begins. The facilitator will ask questions based on the chosen number. The player must answer the questions correctly. If the answer is correct, the player will earn a point. If the answer is wrong, no point is given.
Number 12.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bingo! Uy!
Which country has the most population in the world? China. Nine. Mabawi kami. Four. No, Nakshi. What is the chemical symbol for silver? Ano? Silver. Uy, dali lang yan. Go, baby! Hoy! What do you call a baby dog? A. Kitten. B. Puppy. C. Cow. D.
Ako pa, Doy!
Go, Daddy! Mga balo yung... Oo, yun. Which gas do plants absorb from the air? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen.
Anong number?
Ako si Padoy!
Number 10 po. Ano ba yung number? 1. Ito. Uy! What is the chemical symbol for gold? Huh?
Huh?
A, G-O, B, G-D, C, A-U. Gold.
C-C-A-U-A.
Balikan nyo! T. 28. Pepe, go Pepe!
Hen and Raven is a traditional chasing game. In this version, we added a twist for more fun and safety. There will be 3 rules: the hen, the raven, and the chicks. The hen and the raven will both be blindfolded. The raven will hold 2 empty rice sacks. However, due to the hazard in the area, I did not require the raven to wear the 2 sacks for safety. The chicks will spread out in the playing area. The goal of the game is for the hen and the raven to catch as many chicks as possible. The hen and the raven must race to find and catch the chicks. The chicks will clap their hands to help the hen and the raven to locate them. Through the clapping sounds, the hen and the raven will know the designated position of the chicks. Once a chick is caught, they will follow the one who caught them and move together. The player who gathered the most chicks wins the game.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ginagawa mo!
Nope.
Okay.